Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to make Bihun Goreng Udang. This is stir-fry rice noodle with prawns. This is my very favorite noodle recipe. I love rice noodle. So delicious and comforting. I will add lots of vegetable to this recipe to help give the dish balance. So let's make it. So here is all the ingredient I'm going to use later. I have a rice noodle, which is I already soak into the cool water. Some fresh prawns. For the vegetables, I'm using bok choy, cabbage, carrot, ear mushroom, spring onion, garlic, chili, and onion. For the sauce, I'm using salty soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, salt and mushroom bouillon powder. You also can use chicken bouillon powder, white peppercorn, and vegetable oil. So let's start. First, I'm going to fry the prawns. Add vegetable oil. So before I fry the prawns, I'm going to add some salt and white peppercorn. Pinch of salt, white peppercorn, mix well, and add into the pan. The color so pretty. So it's cooked, let's put it aside. Let's turn off the cooker first, and now I'm going to prepare the vegetables. Slice the onion. So put it here. Chop the garlic. Let's put it here. And now slice the chillies. You can add chili as much as you wish. For me, 3 is enough. I'm going to move it into the plate. Now let's prepare the vegetables. I cut the cabbage into the big chunks. Here I have some bok choy that I already cut into 2 pieces. Now I'm going to cut the half one into 2 pieces, so it's not too big later. Now it's the carrot. Slice it first. So I quite like it into little bit big chunk. Next is the ear mushroom, which is I already soak it into the hot water. We cut it into big chunk. So the last one is the spring onion. I'm going to slice it into diagonal. So now let's turn on the cooker again, and I'm using the same oil that I used to fry the prawn earlier. When the oil is ready, let's add the onion. Cook until it's soft. Add the garlic. And chillies. Cook for 1 minute, and I'm add the mushroom and carrot. So I cover it for 2 minutes, so it's easy to get slightly soft. And now add the cabbage and bok choy. Cook for another 1 minute. Add the noodles. And turn off the cooker. Add the sauce, salt and mushroom boyong powder, sweet soy sauce, salty soy sauce, oyster sauce, mix well. Once it's mixed well, I add the prawns, and I'm going to turn on the cooker. Smells so good. So the last one, add the spring onion. Cook for another 1 minute, and it's ready. Smells so good. Really mouth-watering. So let's turn off the cooker and add sesame oil. So, ready to plate. So here we are, Bihun Goreng Udang. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. If you are in Bali and would like to join my cooking class, please drop me your email. I put my email address in the description below. And I hope you enjoy the video. Matur Suksma. Bye-bye.